What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off sensitive content settings on X app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your X app, open up your X app. After doing so, what you need to do, you have to click on your profile icon in the left top corner. After clicking on profile, you can see here is an option called settings and support. You have to click on settings and support option just like here. After doing so, you have to click on settings and privacy in the first option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can turn off sensitive content setting on your X app. After landing on this page, you have to find the option called privacy and safety. Just like here, you have to click on privacy and safety options. After doing so, you can see here is the option called content you see. In the third option, you have to click on this option, content you see. After clicking on this, you have to turn this option on. If this option is turned off on your mobile phone, you have to click on this option and turn this option on your device. After doing so, here is the other option. You have to click on search setting just like here. Then if this option turned on, you have to turn this option on off just like this. After turning this option off, you are ready to go. Now you can see sensitive content on your X app. So this is how you can turn off your sensitive content setting on your X app. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.